everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Anushka Patil.
And I, Samruddhi Shinde, we are third year computer engineering students from Bharati Vidyapit College of Engineering for Women. And today we are super excited to showcase something cool. We build an AI that cleans the dirty CSV files and answers your questions locally.
A privacy first, intelligent data cleaning tool that understands your messy CSV files and talks to you like a data scientist.
No APIs, no internet connection, 100% local and private.
Let's face it, real world data sets are messy. They're full of missing values, outliers, inconsistent types, and duplicate entries.
For beginners and even pro. Cleaning this manually is repetitive and error prone.
We wanted to build something that not only analyzes your dataset but also explains what's wrong in plain English.
So we build an intelligent assistant. It suggests cleaning options and even answers your questions about the data using advanced language models.
Let's dive deep into the app. It starts with a clean, simple interface built with Python and a powerful front-end framework.
First, you upload your dataset, just a CSV file. The system loads it into the memory and gives you two options that are start cleaning manually or ask our assistant for help. So we will begin with the cleaning module. The app instantly detects the column type such as the numerical values, the categorical values. Then the missing values per column. Now we having the outliers using the Z-score detection and we having the duplicates in our dataset.
You can pick any numeric column to visualize it with histograms and box plots. We have three columns: age, admission test score, and high school percentage. Say for example, I select high school percentage. You can see that the histogram has changed according to high school percentage. You can also view the corresponding box plots for any column by simply clicking on the option given below.
For missing values, we offer four options that are mean, median, mode, or dropping rules. Just click and go.
You can also remove duplicate entries with the checkbox. Let me show you the reference CSV file we're working with. It contains 7 columns: name, age, gender, admission test score, high school percentage, city, and admission status. If you look at the name column, you'll notice that some entries are missing. For example, row 14, row 21, and row 26. Similarly, the admission test score column also has missing values, such as in row 7, row 8, and row 27. These missing values can be handled in different ways: by filling them using mean, median, or mode, or by dropping the rows entirely. Now let's jump to our web app. In here, I'll select the name column and I'd like to handle the missing data by dropping the duplicates or the missing values, and I'll clean the data. Similarly, for admission test scores, I want to fill the missing data using median, and I'll clean the data and download the CSV file. And now here in the name column, as you can see, all the data fields are filled. There are a total of 148 data fields, and in the previous one there were 158. Almost 10 data fields have been deleted just because they didn't have a value under the name column. Similarly, if we take a look at admission test scores, there's not a single value which is not filled. That means every value has now been exchanged with the median value.
So all these things done offline and you can download your clean dataset instantly. So now let's explore the assistant tab that is the real game changer.
You can ask natural questions like what columns we have in missing data, or should I drop nulls in salary? I will ask what are the column names in the given dataset file. Since it is a locally running model, it might take a bit more time than usual.
Our assistant reads the data preview and give contextual data specific answers, just like a human analyst.
It's running locally. No cloud, no tracking. Your data never leaves your system. Now let's take a peek under the hood and understand how our code is organized.
Our project follows a modular structure to keep things clean, maintainable, and scalable. Now we have the file home.py. It manages the file upload and navigation through Streamlit sidebar. Now we have the file datacleaner.app.py. It performs the cleaning, profiling, and visualization of the CSV data. Now we have the file chatwithai.py. It has the chat interface that connects to the backend NLP engine. Now we have the file cleaning.py. It has the modular functions for missing values, outliers, and the duplicates.
This separation of concerns help us debug faster, experiment with features independently, and follow best practices. It also made collaboration easier. One of us could refine chat logic while the other tuned cleaning functions. No interference at all. Here's a quick look at our tech stack. For backend, we've used Python and Pandas. For logic, we've used NumPy. For data cleaning, we've used custom functions and SciPy. For front-end UI, we've used Streamlit. And for data visualization, we've used Matplotlib and Seaborn.
Everything is modular, so it's easy to upgrade individual components.
And since the AI model runs entirely on your local machine, there's zero dependency on the internet or any cloud-based APIs. This project gave us deep hands-on experience with full-stack AI applications.
We learn how to bridge data science and real-time NLP using local language models.
It taught us user interface design, model integration, and how to simplify complex tasks for non-technical users.
And most importantly, it taught us how to work together under pressure and build something meaningful.
Many tools clean data, but very few explain why and how in plain language.
That's what set our assistant apart. It teaches while it cleans.
And by keeping everything offline, we protect your data privacy and give you full control.
Whether you are a student, analyst, or a researcher, this tool can save you hours of your time.
If you like this project, please give it a thumbs up.
Leave a comment if you would like to see more AI tools like this. Maybe even one that works on the PDF or the JSON next.
The code's available below. Feel free to explore, but don't forget to customize and experiment.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
All the links for the GitHub are given down in the description. Go check it out. Thank you.